Hello, this is Mr. Agbamu Idonogrene. I'm here to show you this applet I got from the Geogebra Classic software. It's an applet to demonstrate how the Vernier Caliper is being used for taking measurement. And this is the Vernier Caliper, you can see it here. So it's a simple applet you can use in your classroom with your student to teach your student how to read the Vernier Caliper. Let me zoom it down a little. Just click on this. This is zoom out and this is zoom in. So I've come down a little. So this is my Vernier Caliper. You can see the jaws for external diameter measurement. You can see the jaws for the internal diameter measurement. And if you scroll, if you slide the screen down, you will see for the depth, for taking measurement of depth of whatever you want to measure. So this is how the Vernier Caliper looks like. So this applet is good. You can use it to teach your students in your classroom how to use the Vernier Caliper to take measurement. Then to slide the vernier scale, which is this place, just click on this red button, then drag. So you can slide it to see. This is your 0. So there's no measurement. If you want to get the measurement of this value, you can see you are highlighting this highlight tick mark is to give you the main reading from the main scale, which is this top values here. Let me move down. Like this top values here, that's what this one means. Then show digits, so you need to know the digit you have to measure. Let me take, for example, I want to take a measurement. Let's say I want to measure this value using this Vernier Caliper in my classroom. All I need to do, you can see the 0 is in this place. So this highlight tick mark is telling you to highlight the value where 0 is close to, which is this. In this case now, this is 2 here. This is 2.5, 2.6, 2.7. So this is 2.8. So if I click on this, it will highlight 2.8, which will be your first value in your measurement. You see 2.8 has been highlighted. Then it has also highlighted the point where the vernier scale coincides with the main scale. You can see the 6 coincide with this value here in the main scale. So that means 6 is going to divide 100 and be added to 2.8. That's to 2.8, which will be around 2.86. So the reading of this Vernier Caliper will be 2.86. Then if you want to see the digit on the screen here, you click on this. You can see that the digit have appeared now. This is 2.8. You can see it 6. So 6 divided by 100, which is 0.06. So 6 will be added to this box here. So your final result will now be this when you click on length. So you can see your final result, which is 2.86. So you can use it in your classroom to teach your children how to read the Vernier Caliper. In one of my videos I did some time ago, I demonstrated how to measure any instrument using the Vernier Caliper. So I've done that before. All I just want to do in this video is to present this applet to you. Use it in your classroom to teach your students how to take their measurements using Vernier Caliper and taking measurement. So that is all I have for this video. So get this applet, go to the description of this video, click on the link below. You can get this applet I just have here. Then I also have another applet I can demonstrate for you. Let me just play with this around so that you see it. You can see I've moved this one down. This is 5.1. Let me hide the show mark so that you can see it. You can see this is 5. So the mark 0 is between 5.1 and 5.2. Then if you go through the vernier scale, it coincides in 2. That is 2 coincide with this point. So you can actually get your read. Then this is to 3 decimal places, which is between 2 to 3. We have some point that also coincide, like this place 2.2. That is 2.22 or 2.21. That's why you can see the result is 5.121 or 5.122, depends. So it's a good applet. You can use it anytime in your classroom. Give your students classwork, let them give the measurement, then you highlight the tick mark so that they can see it clearly. You get your show digit, then put the length, and that is all You can zoom out if you want it to be bright. You can zoom in and out. You can make it small, depending on what you want to do in your classroom. So that is all for now. Then the other one I have, I also post this one. Let me show you. That is this. So this is another good one you can still use in your classroom. This one have a way of changing your problem. For example, I want to get the reading. You can, if you click here, the reading will appear, but you can put your value here. Just a kind of classwork for your student to test them on how they are doing. So this is also a good applet for taking the measurement of your Vernier caliper. So operate this simple applet in this case. Just click this and drag. See, you drag, the Vernier scale is being moved as you click this slider. Let's assume I leave it here. Let me move a little. Let's say something like this. Okay, what is this reading? You look at this. This is 4.5. So 4.5 is the nearest answer to this 0. So you can type your 4.5 here. Let's say 4.5. Then let's get the next digit. Look at the Vernier scale. Check which of these digits coincide with the main scale. Look at 0, none, 1, 2, 3, 4, I think 5. You can see the fifth one coincide with the main scale here, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 divided by 100 is 0.05. So just put your 5 there. So if I click show result, you see great, you are right. You can see it's just a good way to demonstrate how to measure the Vernier caliper with your student. To change this problem, you can click on this new problem. Let's say, for example, I made mistake. Actually, this is 7.7. Let's say I made mistake. I put 7.7, forgetting to put where it coincide, which is it coincide in the fourth one. This is 0, 1, 2. Okay, the third one. So it's supposed to be 7.73. Let's say I mistakenly put 7.75. Let's check what it will say. Sorry, you see, that's not right. You can see now. So it's supposed to be 7.73. This is 0, 1, 2, 3. So it is the third mark in the Vernier scale that coincides with the main scale. So which is divided by 100, which is 3. So this 3 need to be added to 7.7, which appears after the 0. So that is all I have for this video. Using these two applet, I have this applet and this applet to teach your children how to take the reading of a Vernier caliper. I hope you enjoy this video. You can download these two applets. Go to the description of this video, click on the link I put down there and download it and use it anytime in your classroom with your student. Thank you for watching. Do have a nice day.